Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this practical video, I will guide you for floor beam construction which length is 26 feet. This is 26 feet span of floor beam, okay? So let's get started guys. If you have any question related this practical video, so you can comments, I will respond you. Guys, you can see here we have two sections. Guys, you can see this is one section at the distance of L by 4 and this is other section after L by 4. Again you will see L by 4 section. So we have two sections for this floor beam which length is 26 feet. At the section of AA, okay, you can see, first of all I will tell you the size. So the depth of the beam is 18 inches. Depth is 18 inches for this beam which is 26 feet. And width is 12 inches. Width is 12 inches, depth is 18 inches. At bottom portion which is tension zone, we have 4 steel rods. Guys, you can see. We have 4 steel rods in bottom portion. In upper portion, we have 2 steel rods. So here, the dia of each bar is 16 millimeter if that is tension zone or compression zone, okay? So total we have at this section 6 steel rods. So this is section AA, okay? Let me show you section BB. Here we have positive bending moment at the mid of the beam which is 13 feet. So total we have 26 feet. So at the distance of 13 feet we have positive bending moment because this is L by 4 distance, okay? So here you can see this is L by, that is L by 2 distance and this is L by 4 distance, okay? So here this is the other section which is section BB, that is section AA, okay? So here guys you can see we have here 4 steel rods at the bottom. You can see same, you will see 4 steel rods at the bottom. Dia is same as you can see there, okay? But in upper portion guys you can see we have 4 steel rods, 1 2 3 4. This is compression zone, this is tension zone. Here at this section you can see we have 8 steel rods, 4 in upper portion, 4 in bottom portion or in tension zone. But if you see here we have 4 in upper 4 in bottom portion and 2 in upper portion. Here we have 6 steel rods. Here at the distance of L by 4, okay? So the span is 26 feet. So span 26 feet divided by 4. So at the distance of 6.5 feet, we have extra steel rods, which is only these 2 numbers at the mid. These are extra steel rods, which dia is 16 millimeter, okay? So guys, you can see these extra bars are starting from the mid of this column to the distance of 6.6 feet, okay? These bars can help the beam, floor beam at the distance of L by 4 to resist negative bending moment, because here we have negative bending moment when the load comes on the top of this floor beam, okay? And here we have positive bending moment. So for positive bending moment we don't require extra steel rods in upper portion, but in negative bending moment we required the extra steel rods or bent up bar. But bent up bar or crank bar is economical, okay? But we don't need extra steel rods in that case. But extra 2 steel rods, as you can see in this floor beam, so this is more stronger than crank bar. Crank bar means these bottom 2 steel rods are going to be bent and going like this. At that portion then we will have 2 bars, but in this upper portion we will have 4 bars because we don't provide the extra steel rods in crank bar method. But that is economical but not stronger than this one, which you can see in this practical video. Same situation guys, you can see at this side. Again this is the column, you can see, and from this column center to the distance of 6.6 feet, that's why because of here we have L by 4 distance. So total length is 26 feet divided by 4. So we have 6.6 feet, 6 feet and 6 inches. Extra steel rods are required to resist negative bending moment. So here is one thing more interesting, which is very important to know about this. As I told you, 2 steel rods we already fixed here to resist negative bending moment. So therefore guys, if you see, the spacing of stirrups are at the distance of 5 inches. Because we have extra steel rods, we have negative bending moment here, okay, and maximum shear stresses. So therefore, to resist shear stresses, we have more chances of cracks at this place. So therefore, spacing of stirrups should be provided closely. So the first stirrup should be placed with the distance of minimum 2 inches, but they provided at the distance of 4 inches spacing. So this is not good. At this one should be provided at the distance of minimum 2 inches. If you see one thing they missed here, guys, you can see these are hooks. So the hooks should be provided on 135 degree. They placed it or bent it on 90 degree. Okay, this is very important because hooks on 135 degree can resist with earthquake, but the 90 degree cannot resist with earthquake. So this is very important, but they missed here this technical point. Other guys, you can see these are hooks. The hook's length should not be less than 3 inches. One thing more guys, if you see, the hooks should be provided alternately. Guys, you can see this hook side is at this side and the other one is the opposite of this. This is the opposite of this. So it is very important. Already they did. So this is the very important and technical term. So guys, you can see the dia is here 10 millimeter for these stirrups, okay, which is very helpful. Guys, you can see that is cantilever beam. So I will make other video on this cantilever beam because the design is not proper, okay. So if you see guys, same situation you will find here, because also we have 2 steel rods here. That's why, because this length is just about 8 feet. So therefore also we have extra steel rods. Let me show you the other side here. This span is 26 feet, okay. You can see guys here, this span is from this column to that column, the span is about 12 feet. So therefore we have 3 steel rods in bottom portion, 2 in upper portion, okay. As you can see, main bars and distribution bars placing is in progress. The laborers are working on that. They are placing here main bars and distribution bars, which dia is 10 millimeter. Okay guys, so this is a video to guide you for the floor beam construction, which length was 26 feet and I guided you already. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.